Hello, it's Angus here at the Bureau of Meteorology with the latest on the severe weather across southeastern Australia, with further heavy rain forecast through the rest of the day today, which is Wednesday the 7th of June. Let's start though with a very quick look at what happened overnight, because it was a real thunder and lightning display across Adelaide, with severe storms developing across South Australia through the early hours of this morning. Through the rest of the morning, this rain has since migrated eastwards, and now it's really starting to target western parts of Victoria and southwestern New South Wales, where there has been some significant rainfall tallies already, over 50 mils in many places through here, with more on the way for the rest of the day. Throughout the remainder of Wednesday, this rain band is forecast to continue to drift eastwards, and that is why we have maintained our severe weather warning for a large chunk of Victoria for both heavy rain and damaging wind, primarily about alpine areas through central parts of Victoria. As well as this warning for severe weather, we've got a number of rivers on flood watch at the moment. These are the rivers we're looking at closely as we track the rainfall and the river flows, and if necessary through the course of the day today or even tomorrow morning, some of these flood watches may be upgraded into minor, moderate or major flood warnings. If you are near any of these waterways, you can stay up to date with the latest flood watches and warnings at the Bureau's website. Let's just quickly check out how things are forecast to progress through Wednesday afternoon and towards the rest of the week. So the rain, which has currently just arrived in Melbourne, continues to move eastwards Wednesday afternoon and evening, really starting to get into Tasmania, large parts of Tasmania, particularly in the north, by the evening hours on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, the rain continues to move eastwards into Canberra through the morning, and then it's into Sydney for Thursday afternoon before pulling out over open waters. This is the leading band, the leading front, which we're watching at the moment, but in behind that, Thursday night and Friday, there's another cold front which does rush across the southeastern states. This one does not bring as much rain, but it will certainly bring another pulse of showers, another surge of chilly wind ahead of the long weekend. So just finally, before we wrap up, when you add these two weather features together, how much further rain are we looking at? This is the rainfall for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and into Saturday, all on top of each other, and it's really targeting Victoria. You can see right where our warning shape is, looking at 50 to 100 millimetres of rain over the course of the next couple of days, but still further areas of 20 to 40 millimetres right across the southeast of Australia. If you would like more information, you can always get the latest at bom.gov.au and through the BOM Weather app. That is me for now, but we will see you next time.